Okay, so good afternoon. For your question, she needs to bake 18 cupcake, right? So first, we have to write the given. So how many cupcake to bake? 17 for her classmate and 1 for herself. And then, ano yung recipe na kailangan niya? So may nakita daw siya na yung recipe na binigay is good for 6 cupcakes. So, we just have to multiply all of this by 3. And then, our answer will be for 18 cupcakes. For 18 cupcakes, we will be needing 100 gram of whatever ingredients is this. We just have to multiply it by 3. And then, 50 gram of butter multiplied by 3. And then, 1 egg multiplied by 3. And then, 100 gram flour multiplied by 3. 4 grams of baking powder multiplied by 3. And then 60 ml of whatever given, maybe it is water, times 3 equals, so we just have to multiply it. 100 grams times 3 is 300 grams. 50 grams of butter times 3 is 150 grams of butter. And 1 egg times 3, so we will be needing 3 eggs. And then 100 grams of flour, so times 3, we will be needing 30 grams of flour for us to bake 18 cupcakes, 17 for the classmate and 1 including herself. That's why we need 18 cupcakes. And then 18 divided by 6 equals 3. That's why we are multiplying every ingredients by 3. Okay? 60 ml of what? And then 4 gram of baking powder equals to 12 grams of baking powder. And 60 ml of whatever ingredients it is 180 ml of these ingredients. So, we will be needing, the question is how much of each ingredients will be needed. So, this will be your final answer. 300 grams of whatever ingredients is that, 150 grams of butter, 3 eggs, 30 grams of flour, 12 grams of baking powder, and 180 ml of whatever ingredients it is, maybe it is water. Okay? Thank you, and if this video helps you, hope you subscribe in our channel and like this video as well. Thank you.